Motorola has been known for producing some of the best budget phones in the market. Recently, the company announced the Motorola X40 as a China-exclusive phone, but now they are reportedly working on an international variant, the Edge 40 Pro. Leaks suggest that there will also be a vanilla version of the phone called the Edge 40. According to my smart price, the Edge 40 will have slightly toned-down specs compared to the Edge 40 Pro. It will apparently feature the upcoming MediaTek 8020 SoC, while the Pro model will stick to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. Both phones will come with IP68 certified water and dust resistance. Prolific leaker Snoopy Tech has confirmed some of the hardware specifications of the Motorola Edge 40 Pro on Twitter, stating that it will start at €899 across Europe. The leaker also shared official-looking renders of the Edge 40 Pro in its lunar blue shade. The Motorola Edge 40 Pro is said to have a 6.67 inches Full HD Plus PO LED screen, with Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and a 165Hz refresh rate. It will offer up to 256 GB of storage and 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM. The phone will feature 3 cameras on the back, a 50-megapixel f/1.8 sensor with OIS, another 50-megapixel camera for ultra-wide shots, and a 12-megapixel telephoto unit with 2x optical zoom. The phone will also have a 60-megapixel front camera for selfies. The Edge 40 Pro will be protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus on both the front and back, held together by an aluminum frame. It will have a 4,600 mAh battery with 125-watt fast wired charging, 15-watt wireless charging, and 5-watt reverse wireless charging support. The phone will run on Android 13 out of the box, with the company's MyUX 5.0 software layering. The flagship will be available in Quartz Black and Angel Falls colorways. The basic Edge 40, on the other hand, will reportedly include 5G support and come with a 6.55 inches Full HD Plus PO LED screen, 144 Hz. It will feature a dual camera setup on the back with a 50-megapixel f/1.5 primary camera with OIS, and a 13-megapixel camera for ultra-wide capabilities, featuring a 120-degree field of view. The phone will have a 32-megapixel selfie camera on the front. The Edge 40 will have 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage and 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM on board. It will run on Android 13 and MyUX 5.0. The phone will have a 4,400 mAh battery with 68-watt fast wired charging and 15-watt wireless charging built in. The base model in the Edge 40 lineup will be sold in vegan leather and PMMA acrylic options, with color options called Magenta, Eclipse Black, Lunar Blue, and Nebula Green. It is unclear when the two phones will be officially released, but based on the timing and depth of the leaks, it is expected that the phone's arrival is not far away.